good news and I have bad news. Which news you guys want to hear first? Which news you want to hear first? Good news or bad? The bad news? Alright, well the bad news is I only have one more song left. And the good news is I wrote this last song for each and every one of you in the audience tonight. And it's not just any song, no. It's about love. It's about a girl. This song is to inspire each and every one of you to let you know that if you have a dream, that it's never too big. And that you can always believe.